Hello everyone, this is Teacher Jackson here from BlueTree. All right, welcome to another series of Learn Primary Maths, where I help to fine-tune your technique for solving a maths problem. All right, so this series we have another 2 questions for us to discuss and help you to improve. All right, let's don't wait anymore. Let's go ahead and discuss the question. Okay, this is the first question about circles. This appeared in 2021. As you can see, is at paper 1, question 7. 1 mark question. All right, then what is this question about then? Uh, you can read this, all right, that the circle has center O. So this O here is the center. All right, then you have AOE and COF. So AOE is here. This is AOE. And then you have COF. These are straight lines, right? So they ask you which pair of lines show its radius and diameter. So they give you a few choices. This is a multiple choice. So they say radius is A and E, then diameter OC, and so on and so forth. You can read this yourself. All right. So first to think about what are we trying to find? Radius and diameter, right? So what is radius? What is radius? So if you read from what I write here, radius is a definition. It's a straight line, all right, from the center to the circumference of a circle. So you have center has here, they will tell you center is O, right? So this is the center. All right, so circumference, you know, is the line here, the outer line here of the circle. Okay, so it's from the center here to the circumference, right? So based on the definition, okay, what do we have then? Okay, so you realize that AO, because this is from center, right, all the way to the circumference. Okay, so AO possible, yes. All right, OE, this is another line. OE here is possible also, right? Okay, so you can see, for me, I already shortlist. Okay, so we have technique of choosing. We will eliminate those we don't need. Okay, so AO, yes, correct. OE is correct, right? How about AE? So AE is very long. AE means what? From the circumference here all the way to another part of the circumference. You must go from the center. So AE no, okay. Then BD, how about BD? BD don't even touch the center. You must start from the center. Okay, so no, all right. So based on what we know, okay, we can see that there is certain line also. For example, another line is OF, right? From the center to here. That is the radius. Then for O to C, this one also is a radius. So you have 4 lines, right? You have the AO, you have the OE, you have the OF, and then the OC, right? Okay, so that's radius. Okay, so based on elimination, we already eliminate AE and we eliminate BD already because BD don't even touch the center. And AE is not the radius, but of course, I must start from the center. It's not starting from the center. Okay, so for diameter, what's diameter? Diameter is a straight line that intersects the center of a circle. So it must be a straight line intersects the center of a circle. That means must go through the center. Okay, this is what it means. Must go through the center. Okay, so based on this, all right, let's check what do we have for diameter. Okay, so option 1 is OC, option 2 is BD, all right, option 3 is AE, option 4 is FC. So if you look at my blue line here, I think it's quite clear. Okay, this is a diameter because it intersects the center, it goes through the center. So it's from one end of the circumference to the other end of the circumference. It goes through the center. So AE, yes, right? Okay, so how about another line that is also a diameter? We have it, all right? So FC here, right? So FC is from one end of the circumference to the other end of the circumference. Does it cut through the center? Yes, it does. Okay, so this is a diameter also. So if you check the options, what do we have? All right, so we have FC here. So you have AE here, you have FC here, which is the diameter, right? How about the rest? The rest, no. So you realize OC, this one, no. Okay, it must be from one end to the other end. OC is not. BD also, it doesn't touch the center. So I tick here already for OE. So here, OE, yes. All right, that is the radius. And then we have FC, which is the diameter here. So accordingly, all right, the best answer will be option 4, right? Option 4, OE and FC. Okay, so the rest cannot. All right, so that's the first answer. Okay, we have already explained the first question. Okay, so answer is option 4. All right, next question. Okay, next question is a repeated identity question. Okay, it's also same 2021 paper, but this is paper 2. Okay, question 10. This is a 3-mark question. Right. So I'm going to read to you what is the question about. So here you have Alan, Ben, and Chandra shared the cost of a gift. Right. So these 3 persons were sharing the cost of a gift. The ratio of Alan's share to the total share of Ben and Chandra was 1:3. Okay, so we have the ratio here. And then the third line, the ratio of Ben's share to the total share of Alan and Chandra was 1:5. Again, we have another ratio here, right? Then the fourth line is Chandra's share was $80 more than Ben's share. How much did the gift cost? So the total cost of the gift, right? Okay, so why is it a repeated identity? Because some of the identity is repeated, right? For example, here you see Alan, right? Okay, Alan, and then you have Ben, and then these two, see these two same Chandra and Chandra. So you have repeated identity, yeah. Okay, you have the same person. Okay, so now, all right, we have the strategy. It's called repeated identity, right? Okay, how to solve then? Okay, let's check. So according to the question, we have from Alan, all right, is to Ben plus Chandra. That was the previous ratio, which is 1:3. That one is the question that is given just now, right? So we have Ben is to Alan plus Chandra, which is 1:5. That was the ratio given in the question. So how to do, right? So be thinking, how do we do this? Yes, we have the 2 ratio. How to solve first? So you realize that 3 of them share the cost of the present, right? So which means their total ratio, right, should be the same, right? Because they share the cost, right? So based on this, all right, I will have here, I convert to an equivalent ratio. 3:9, okay? Here I convert into 2:10. So you'll be thinking, why are we doing this? Why are we converting, right? So I will show you the next step. Yeah, so you realize here, 1 and 3, right? You add together because I want the total, right? Yeah? So I told you total must be the same. So 1 plus 3, 4, right? Okay, this side 1 plus 5 is 6. So these two are not the same. You realize the total? This is 4 and this is 6. So not the same, right? So we have to make it the same, right? So what we do, all right, this is the strategy for repeated identity. This is the strategy here. All right, okay. So one of the strategy is total stays the same, which is what I'm talking about, class. All right, so we have 3 person which share the cost of a present. So the total must remain the same, right? So what we do here is I take 4 times 3 to get 12. All right. Okay, then the next one, right? We have here another times 6 times 2, right? You get 12. Okay, so next question will be why? Well, because we want to have total the same. So now my total is the same now, right? This is 12 and this is 12. So actually from here, I times 3, right? Times 3. Some people were wondering, how come you put 3:9 here? Why you put an equivalent ratio? Because I want to times 3 first, right? So I'll get 3 here, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the total 3 plus 9 will be 12, right? That's the total here. Same here, I times 2. So 1 times 2, 2. 5 times 2, 10, right? So 2 plus 10, 12. Now my total stays the same. I will take the new ratio, right? This is the equivalent ratio. Okay, so based on this now, I split into 3 person. I don't want the plus here. I don't want this total here. I'll split into 3. So now Alan is to Ben is to Chandra, right? So Alan, you have 3 here. Ben, you have 2 here. And then Chandra, you have 7. So you'll be wondering why 7, right? Okay, so you realize Why 7? Okay, so you realize that there is some change here, right? Okay, you see Alan here, we know already. Alan is 3, right? Here Alan is 3. Right enough. So Alan plus Sandra is 10. So you need to minus Alan. So you take 10 minus Alan, which is 3. So you will get 7. Okay, right? So same here. Okay, so here is Ben plus Sandra, which is 9. I know Ben from here. Ben is 2 units, right? So you take 9 minus 2, you still get 7. Okay, so that's how you get 7 for Sandra, right? Okay, so what do you do? So here, 5 units is equal to $80. So if you check just now, there is more cost, right? Correct. So you link it to the question. Okay, so it has a more cost. And how you get 5 units here? You take 7 unit here minus 2 unit, which is 5 unit. Okay, so they did tell you, Chandra actually have more units. Okay, how much more? $80 more. Okay, that one not unit, that is the cost. Okay, she actually have more cost here. Actually, he pays more, right? Okay, so 1 unit will be $80 divided by 5. You get 16. So remember, must find the unit. Right? BlueTree will teach you, try and find 1 unit first. Right? So the strategy is to find 1 unit first, which we found. Okay, so you take $80 divided by 5, you get $16. Right? Okay, so now I have the unit already, 1 unit, right? So now the gift is 12 units, right? The total units, okay, the gift is total units. So I want to find the total cost of the gift, right? So you take 3 plus 2, which is 5. 5 plus 7, which is 12. So the total is 12 units. Okay, so 1 unit here is $16, right? So how? Want to find the total cost? You take 12 unit times $16, right? Okay, so you will have 128. That's the answer. Okay, so that's the answer. So this is the number statement. So I have one here, which is the word statement. So the cost of the present is $128, right? Okay, so I hope you understand these 2 questions. Okay, it seems easy, but if you don't know the strategy behind it, you don't know how to use, right? Then you have problem, right? Okay, so that's the end of my sharing. I hope you have understood what I'm sharing about and also help you to solve and become better in terms of your maths solving skill. And thanks for choosing BlueTree. All right, okay, we will see you again for the next session.